Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Adventures with Kramer. So today what I've done is I'm trying to do a little bit of investing in my channel, and with that I ended up buying a GoPro Hero 8 from Costco. Had a really good sale going on, and so this is just a kind of quick unboxing helping to show it. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here we go. So as you can tell, I still have the plastic on it from picking it up at Costco. It's a real nice bundle that I think that they have there. And none of this is in any way sponsored by like Costco or anything like that. Just paid for my own money on it. This is the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Does what, 12 megapixel photos, 4K 60 frames per second on videos, has the Hyper Smooth 2.0. It's not the newest one of the 9. I know there's already kind of videos helping to show this, but I like it. I mean, you don't really get this on a lot of the other different kits you can find online. And plus with a lot of the different like technical support and things that you can start to get from Costco, oh man, it's awesome. So this particular kit, not only, so they just did it like an extra rebate. They'd been having it for like $70 off, and then they jumped it to another $100 off. But not only did you get the camera, but you get an adapter with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, one of the SanDisk Extreme Pluses. You get a couple different extra like attachments to be able to hook up, but you get 2 batteries, which is really nice. And then you also get like a, what is it? I think it's one of like the floating type of holders, plus then a case, which the case I think is really nice to be able to help get that. So let's take a look around here, see where it's sealed. So I don't see any tape type stuff to try and peel off. Let's just start at one of the sides and bust out the knife here. A lot of sticky stuff. Let's try this. There we go. They do not want it to come apart. There we go. Got it started. Just get open. It's gonna be super annoying if I find a spot later on that's like, oh hey, all you have to do is like pull this little tab. There we go. Start to get it open. So it looks like it is right inside the case for a lot of stuff already. Let's go and pull that out of there. Nothing else inside the box. So, oh, okay, so it's an actual GoPro case itself. Get the little logo on there. Nice little zipper. Get a little handle on there. Better not shake it up too much before I see what's inside. Let's open that up. Okay, so seeing a couple different pieces here. Got the charging cable. So we have a USB 2.0 to a Type C. Why in the world would they put a Type C on there, but only put a USB 2.0 on the other side for data transfers? Like, that seems like waste. I thought all USB 2.0s were either like the white or the black, and there'd have to be a blue to be able to be a USB 3.0. Huh, that seems like a bottleneck there a little bit on transferring stuff. 2 batteries. Super excited for that to be able to help see those. What do we have for battery capacity size? A little tab to help hold on. Charging temperature speeds. 1,220 milliamp hour. Not sure if you can see that or not there. So I am unboxing this first because my goal is to be able to help set and use the GoPro to help set and do a lot more other filming on stuff. So nice small little battery there. Great to be able to help see 2 of those. Try checking and see what we have for being able to help charge that. We have one of the curved type mounts. I have some older GoPros, like GoPro Hero 1 versions, 1 or 2s. So I know these mounts look basically identical to what they have been in the past. I mean, why fix what ain't broken? So that'll be nice to be able to help have that. And it looks like this is the one that can go on top of like a helmet. Same screw type mount. That's really nice to be able to see a lot of that universal stuff. So I'm hoping I might be able to reuse some of my old accessories. I wasn't sure about that or not. Got another little clip type piece on here. What's this do? Ooh, some other little, nice little mounting type piece. Okay. An extra little spot inside there to help out. So obviously have the GoPro. I'll come to that one here in a little bit. Try and get some of the cardboard out of here. Must be to where I can set and adjust inside for helping to hold that GoPro in place. Looks like I'm starting to see some charging cables underneath. Oh, nope, not charging cable. The holder. So I don't think there's anything else inside here. Ooh, nice foam grippy type of texture there. Reminds me of some like older handlebar type styles. Flat on one side. I wonder what the benefit of that is. It's GoPro specific. You can definitely hold on to it real nice and easy. This has to make it to where it is able to help set and float. Wonder if it says any of that on here. Not seeing anything specific on the case on there. Have to do some tests on that. Push button cinching on there. On an elastic cord. That's nice to be able to help try and see. Cinch it up. Wonder how well it actually holds in place. It's okay. Maybe the spring's a little bit tighter on there to be able to hook around the wrist. So that's definitely nice. I'm assuming some of the other stuff that we have here. So I'm guessing then I'm going to have the batteries inside the GoPro itself in order to be able to charge. So just an extra packaging for the 32 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme. So that's a little bit off on here because on the box itself, right there, if you actually look really close, that says it's supposed to be an Extreme Plus, not just an Extreme. No idea what the difference is between the two of them, but that is different. So I'm not quite sure why they didn't do the Extreme Plus, or maybe it's just because it's a different packaging. Maybe they don't have that label on there. Some different ad type stuff, GoPro Plus. Basic things you'll be able to help get it connected in there, getting the app, questions. Oh, GoPro stickers. Nice. It feels like the same texture as the outside of the box. Get 2 of them there. And then a booklet of instructions. That is super small print. Oh, that's why. It's in every single language. Bunch of different instructions. All right. So then the case here, some of that nice padding. I'd say it's about like 1/4 of an inch. Has some nice padding on there. So then where do I want to try and help put this? Looks like I can mount it anywhere around the edge that I want to be able to have it. But that is going to be quite big. Wonder if I can squish in the GoPro camera this way. One does not stay on there. Let's see what else we can get. So if I were to push that up here, so it does Velcro on there, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna hold onto there very well. We're going to mess with that a little bit while trying to attempt to keep the light up. I'll have to work on that a little bit. So let's go ahead and just try and check out the camera then. Imagine I'll need to do some charging. Nice power button on the side here. Bunch of little clear protectant films to be able to help out. Oh, these pop down now. Well, that's nice. Is that a speaker on the bottom of this for those holes down below there? I wonder. Wow, that's a big screen. Help put it into perspective. Let me see if I can show here really quick. I have a couple different ones here. So this is a massive increase over time. So if we're seeing the GoPro 8, here is my old GoPro Hero 2. Wow. Oh, about the same size. Well, that's pretty neat. Similar on the front. You don't get that little sensor. I used to sit and watch for that, the little red flashing light, so I knew whether or not it was on. Missing some of the different cables. Power button. Ah, here we go. Let's check out this. If I can get this open here. Push, pull, slide. Okay, so I slide that down. Now what? I don't want to break anything. Does it show it? Slide down, and then it just shows that it goes out. Okay, well that's super helpful. Oh, there we go. Slides down. Be able to set and connect in the battery. So that seals that off. Nice little piece of foam to be able to put the battery in there. Let's see which way we got here. Put the battery in. Looks like go like that. Actually, let me put the memory card in there before. If I can get that to open up a little bit. There we go. And nice. So micro SD. Does it give us an idea which direction it should be facing? No, I'm not seeing anything. Well, that's frustrating. Let's try looking at it from this way. Nope. So which direction does that need to go? Their pictures show the little multi-step piece that I got here. Shows that notch over to the side. So it is the contact points facing up. Let's check and see if that's the correct way to do it. Yep. So that fit in there real nice. You see it right there and connected. Hopefully the batteries are at least at a roughly like 60% for storage. Pushes in there nice. Ooh, nice little tab to be able to help pull that back out. Let's close that, clamp it back down, and take off some of these protectors. Some little glue type stuff there. Let's take this one off here. Nice. And then, I actually think I might leave that one on the back. Didn't want to have that one on the front to interfere with the camera, but the one on the back, that should just help out with a little bit of protecting. So, let's see what happens when we power this thing up. Whoa, almost dropped it. Man, there we go. Power. Touched it once. Oh, there it is. There's a little light I was looking for off of, compared to the old one. So you see like the old Hero 2 there. And then had a Hero 3. Hero 3 definitely dropped in size. Oh, here we go. Probably would help. So, English. Agree. Oh my word. I hate how they have these different pieces. Everything out there. If you don't agree to it. Captures location. Wow, it does GPS too. GoPro app. To finish setup. Oh, looks like we're about where we're at. Be interesting to see how all this turns out. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you got any different accessories or things like that that have worked well for you for some of your different GoPros or different cases, please definitely hit it down in the comments down below. Let me know. It has been a long time since I've used some of these different ones, so if there's something you recommend, I'd love to be able to know. Peace, everybody.